Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. These are my favorite hoop earrings. I'm keeping the vendor to myself because there's still some pieces I want to get from them, but they do not sparkle how I want them to sparkle anymore. I mean, they sparkle some, but I'm really gaudy and sparkle's my favorite color, so they have to bling for me to like it. So with dishwashing liquid, toothpaste, and a toothbrush, I'm going to get these babies sparkling because they are plated and I don't want to go get them clean, so I'm going to do it myself. Actually, the paper towel is most important. So first I'm going to take some warm water, like warm kind of hot, and I'm just going to soak them in there and put all of my pieces in there one by one, and then just a little bit of dishwashing liquid in the water, then some on top of the toothbrush, and I'm going to loosen up all that dirt and oil that's preventing my plated pieces from shining. So most of the time when your bling loses its sparkle, it's like body oil or lotion, cosmetics, hair oil gets all in them. Then shortly after, they just lose their sparkle. Like I said, it was sparkling before, but I need them blinding. This is a must. So after I go through all of my pieces and I like brush them lightly with dishwashing soap, then I'm going to rinse that off, add some clean water, and then I'm going to use the toothpaste. For me, like, I know there's some discrepancies about people using toothpaste on their jewelry, but I haven't had any scratches or any problems with mine. I've been doing this for a while now. So since the dishwashing liquid got all the surface dirt and stuff off of my jewelry, I'm going to go back in with the toothpaste to get a deeper clean, deeper shine, deeper polish. And I'm telling you, these babies are going to be blinding sparkly. This is like my go-to trick. So I've used this method on a couple pendants, some earrings, some costumes, some precious metal, mostly my precious metals, and they're fine. You just have to use like a really light pressure. So afterwards, I don't want any leftover toothpaste on any of my jewelry. So I go back through with the dishwashing soap. It's kind of like a sandwich. First you soap, then you toothpaste, then you soap again. So this is my own method. This is from my own experience. Use your own discretion. If somehow user error happens and you mess up your stuff, that's on you. But for me, I've been great. So like I said, the most important part of this is getting rid of all the water so you don't have any tarnishing, you don't have any water spots. Look at that! So you really want to make sure you go through and get all of the water out and then go back and use the paper towel to really polish the stones and really polish the material. Like, yes, look at the material, sparkling. That is how I like it. Like I said, the before was okay. But the after, baby, like, you can't deny that. This is my jam. Those are my favorite earrings, and I'm going to wear them for a very long time. As long as they sparkle like that and I keep them clean, like, you're going to be able to see me from outer space. So I'm kind of stingy. I want to share the vendor, but just not yet, because there's so many more pieces that I want to get and rock the heck out of before I go sharing. I'm a little stingy like that, my bad. But eventually I'll share, and everything is sparkling just as they should. So one last thing that I do is I place them in front of a fan after they've all been dried by hand, and I run them under a fan for about 30 minutes to an hour before I store them in a cool, dry area. And I'm in love. Okay, like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and I will see you guys next time.